Welcome to Transform Academy, your one-stop destination for skill building, growth, and career success. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enroll, access, and complete your course, from sign-up to certification. Let's get started. Head over to www.wetransformacademyhub.com and click on the Online Courses tab right at the top of the homepage. Scroll through our wide range of career-boosting courses. Find the one that matches your goals and click View Details next to it. On the course details page, take a moment to read through all the information. On the right, you'll find two helpful tabs. Overview, a quick introduction to what the course covers. Price, displays your payment options. Free courses, single payment, flexible installment plans. Choose the plan that suits you best and click the Join button. Carefully review your email and payment details, then hit Buy Now. You'll be redirected to PayPal. Simply log in and complete the transaction. After payment, click Start, and then click next to receive your course password. Copy it, then click Join Course. A new tab will open. Press Begin Course, paste the password, and hit Submit. You're in. Now the learning begins. Watch engaging video lessons. Listen to the audio lessons if that is preferable. Read course materials. Complete quizzes to test your knowledge. Use the next and previous buttons to navigate between lessons with ease. Return to the original tab where you used to log into the course. Take the final quiz and click Submit to get your results. Once you've finished all lessons and quizzes, don't forget to leave a review. If you choose to leave a review, click on the button asking for a review and a new tab will open. Click on the review button and leave a business or product review. Your feedback helps us improve and supports future learners like you. After leaving the review, return to the original course tab and click on Complete Steps for 2 times. Congratulations! Once your course is complete, your certificate of completion will be sent straight to your inbox. Download it, showcase your achievement, and start leveling up your career. That's it! With easy enrollment, flexible payment options, full access to all course content, and instant certification. Transform Academy makes online learning simple and powerful. Join our loyalty program, earn and redeem rewards. Get 20 points for each friend you refer. Join today and start your journey toward transformation. Visit wetransformacademyhub.com and take your first step now.